Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice commands in the Waze app in 2026. Do you want to control parts of the Waze with your voice instead of tapping on the screen? Depending on your device and region, Waze supports voice-based controls. Now let's go back. Let's get into it. As before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store, so you can download it from the store and enjoy a more easy and a more practical driving experience. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to turn on the voice commands in the Waze app. Now on Android, the one option is Google Assistant integration. First, you're going to make sure that Google Assistant is enabled in your phone. Then you're going to open the Waze app and tap the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then you're going to go to the settings, and then you're going to go to the voice and sounds. Then you're going to look for the Google Assistant and follow the setup instructions. Once you allow the Google Assistant and you configure it, it will be displayed right here. And once it's enabled, you can use commands such as take me home, find gas stations, report traffic, and you can also ask Waze to report hazards, crashes, and other supported incidents. Now on iPhone, Waze also supports Siri shortcuts. So you're going to go to the settings, then voice and sounds, and select Siri shortcuts, and then choose a shortcut and record your preferred phrase. And after resetting it, you can say, "Hey Siri," followed up by your shortcut. And keep in mind this available voice features depending on your device, language, and region. And as always, use voice controls when you can do it safely. And that's how you set up voice controls in the Waze app. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.